Question number 1. Parietal cells of mucosa in the stomach secretes mucin, pepsin, HCl, all of the above. So correct answer is option 3. Parietal cells of stomach secretes HCl. Question number 2. Enamel of teeth is secreted by ameloblast cells, odontoblast cells, osteoblast cells, osteoclast cells. So correct answer is option 1. Ameloblast cells secrete the enamel that forms the teeth. Question number 3. Dental formula of adolescent human being before 17 years is 2122/2122। तो यही करेक्ट आंसर है, तो ऑप्शन जो है 1 इसका ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Which cells of mucus layer of stomach secretes the pepsinogen? Chief cells, goblet cells, parietal cells, oxynetic cells. So correct answer is option 1. Chief cells in the stomach secretes pepsinogen. Question number 5. Innermost layer of mucosa is made up of columnar epithelium except esophagus, duodenum, intestine, stomach. So correct answer is option 1. एसोफेगस के अलावा बाकी जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं उन सब के अंदर जो म्यूकोसा की इनर मोस्ट लेयर है वो कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम से मिलकर बनी होती है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हाउ मैनी टीथ इन मैन ग्रोज ट्वाइस इन लाइफ? 32, 28, 20, 12. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3. 20 teeth in man are grows twice in life. Question number 7. In human, which teeth help in cutting? Canine, incisor, molar, premolar. So correct answer is option 2. Incisors help in cutting the things. Question number 8. Pulp cavity of teeth is lined by odontoblast cells, chondroblast cells, osteoblast cells, amyloblast cells. So correct answer is option 1. Pulp cavity of teeth is lined by odontoblast cells. Question number 9. In human being, sphincter of Oddi is situated in common bile duct, ampullae of water, main pancreatic duct, common hepatic duct. So correct answer is option 2. In human being, sphincter of Oddi is situated on ampullae of water. और ये जो ampullae of water है ये कॉमन पॉइंट है फॉर बाइल डक्ट एज वेल एज मेन पेंक्रियाटिक डक्ट, जहां वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर अपनी सिक्रीशन रिलीज करते हैं। नंबर 10. टियालिन इज सिक्रेटेड बाय स्टमक, सलाइवरी ग्लैंड, पैंक्रियास, बाइल. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2. सलाइवरी ग्लैंड सिक्रेट टियालिन दैट डाइजेस्ट द स्टार्च। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Tialin, an enzyme, work in saliva in alkaline medium, almost neutral medium, acidic medium, in all media. So correct answer is option 2. Tialin enzyme work in saliva and saliva is almost neutral. So correct answer is option 2. Question number 12. In pancreas, pancreatic juice and hormones are secreted by cells, islets of Langerhans. Option 2 is cells of acne and islets of Langerhans. और ऑप्शन 3 है islets of Langerhans and cells of aqueous. और ऑप्शन 4 है नन ऑफ दिस। सो करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2 के पेंक्रियास के अंदर जो पेंक्रियाटिक जूस है वो सेल्स ऑफ एक्ने से रिलीज होता है और हार्मोन्स जो हैं वो आइलेट्स ऑफ लैंगरहैंस से रिलीज होते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. सी शेप्ड वाइडेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन इज pancreas, liver, duodenum, thyroid. So correct answer is option 3. The widest part that is C-shaped of our intestine is duodenum. Question number 14. Which substance destroy the harmful bacteria? तो पहला है सीरोमिन, काइम, HCl, secretin. So correct answer is option 3. HCl in our stomach destroy the harmful bacteria present in our food. Question number 15. One of the following is not a constituent of saliva: bicarbonate, lysozyme, glucose, immunoglobulin. So correct answer is option 3. Glucose is not a constituent of saliva. Question number 16. What statement is wrong about bile? Bile is necessary for fat digestion. Option 2 is it is stored in the gallbladder. Option 3, it is important only for normal digestion of sugar. Option 4 is none of the above. So correct answer is option 3 कि जो बाइल है वो सिर्फ शुगर के डाइजेशन के लिए यूज़ नहीं होता, तो ये वाला ऑप्शन जो है इनकरेक्ट है अबाउट बाइल. Question number 17. Which of the following is a function of gallbladder? It involved in deamination. It is involved in bile storage. It is involved in synthesis of plasma protein. Option 4 is it is involved in storage of fat-soluble vitamin. So correct answer is option 2. Gallbladder is involved in bile storage. Question number 18. Crafts of leprechaun are found in between the villi. They secrete glucagon, succus, entericus, insulin, none of the above. So correct answer is option 2. Succus entericus जो कि एक intestinal juice है, ये रिलीज होता है क्रेप्ट्स ऑफ लेबरकॉन से. Question number 19. Parotid salivary gland are present below the tongue, below the ears, below the eye orbits, in the angle between the two jaws. So correct answer is option 2. Parotid salivary glands are present below the ears. Question number 23. Casein present in the milk, which is bacterium, sugar, protein, fat. So correct answer is option 3. Casein is present in the milk, it is actually protein. Question number 24. Amylase enzyme acts on starch, protein, fats, canned sugar. So correct answer is option 1. Amylase enzyme acts on starch. Question number 25. Liver cells excrete amylopsin, trypsin, lipase, bile and no enzyme. So correct answer is option 4. Liver secretes the bile and it secretes no enzyme. Question number 26. Peristaltic movements found in different parts of alimentary canal. In which one of these there is least peristalsis? Stomach, duodenum, rectum, esophagus. So correct answer is option 3 कि rectum के अंदर सबसे कम जो है वो peristalsis होगी. Question number 27. Milk protein is curdled into calcium paracasinate by maltose, rennin, trypsin, lactose. So correct answer is option 2. Rennin convert the milk protein into calcium paracasinate. Question number 28. The enzyme invertase hydrolyzes glucose into sucrose, sucrose into glucose and fructose, starch into maltose, starch into sucrose. So correct answer is option 2. Invertase enzyme जो है वो sucrose को glucose और fructose में change करता है. Question number 29. Amino acids are absorbed in blood capillaries, wall of rectum, lacteals and blood capillaries of villi, lacteals of villi. So correct answer is option 1. अमाइनो एसिड जो है वो ब्लड कैपिलरीज ऑफ विलाई के अंदर एब्सॉर्ब होते हैं.